You know, this isn't probably the best thing to learn on, you know.
What? I don't have a choice.
I woke up, the sun will shine, a new story.
I said in my previous video, I needed to get myself some cut-off wheels because there's no way I'm going to be able to do this. I'm going to be able to do this job with a pair of tin snips. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Got some U-pole to assist putting the bumpers back on later on. The bumpers, the side skirts. Oh yes. Gutting discs. Should be really thin. 1 mil. Should be perfect. Also a big pack, wow, really big pack of sanding flap wheels. I've previously used the fiberglass ones that look like this, and they are really, really good. However, they're also, from memory, because I've had these for about 10 years, actually really, really expensive. They don't last 5 minutes. In my previous video, I took off some filler with them inside the car, and oh my gosh, did it make a mess. So I'm going to be trying to avoid doing that. So yeah, it just gets me excited to do some more work on the Escort. However, I'm not exactly dressed for it right now. I think shorts and t-shirt is not ideal. Right, let's see what we get up to. I'm going to mark up around the plates that I made for previous video, which was actually like 3 days ago. And then on the inside, hopefully to prevent dust from all the silly fiberglass filler that somebody put in, I've put one of my small fire blankets in, and saying I hope to reduce the dust. There is still a white layer over absolutely everything in here, so we're going to have to get damp cleaned at some point. You know, it's the least of my worries when you've got stuff like this on your floor, so yeah, excellent. Have ordered those repair panels. They're going to be so wide, I think, front to back. And I also ordered the battery tray panel as well. Oh, which reminds me, I better open the bonnet and put something in there to stop sparks going in the engine bay. So as you can probably see, I've just run a different colour up there, because when I went to get my black marker pen, I wouldn't have been able to see it on black primer. So I just wasted a bit of my weld through primer. That's not going to be an exact science, is it? Well, I can see it takes up most of it. And this one is probably going to be very difficult to get to. Okay. Good. I think that's going to be very difficult. We can see in here now where I've done the straight cuts. I might have to go inside to do this angle bit here, just because I can't get in. I'll end up cutting all the way around here. I've done a straight cut here and taken this piece out, and I can see multiple layers where it's been repaired before, but they haven't cut the old rust out. It's all gone through again. So this is all, it's all very scabby and very sharp. So it's definitely the right thing to do to take it out and put new metal in. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going, but I'm wondering if this has to come out to get access in. I mean, it'd be a good excuse to take it out and clean off the under seal, because they actually look quite good, apart from grey overspray and under seal all over it. Anyway, I'm waffling. See how I make a bit more progress on here. Someone's shouting. There's some children playing. So yeah, I definitely made some progress on it. A shame I can't cut this from the inside as well. I really don't want to take the wing off, because I think they're actually welded. And just like that, it's 6:30 in the evening. So I'm not going to make any more noise. You can see what I'm trying to achieve. Taking out these panels. A nice cut up there. Haven't attempted that one yet. And then I'm going to cut down there, the edge down the back of there, to fit panel in. Yeah, progress. Oh, it's like Christmas. We've got parts arrived. It's like a big job though. It's like a big job. Oh wow, that's huge. Some instructions. Ford Escort Mark III. It's a good start, because that isn't the right car. A really nice panel from Magnum car panels. I'm going to see how this goes in here. Trying to scratch the paint, obviously. Quite happy with the fit of that. So we can have a look over and see where we can get access. And then decide where we need to cut and what metal we're going to put in. Come on, camera, focus. If we can see in here, what we're talking through doing is doing a plug weld at the top, plug weld around the side. We're going to trim the corners off the panel to round the edges off to make it a little bit better. Advised to keep as much of the original car metal in place, because that's obviously the strongest. You can see we're marked up here. We're going to do some plug welds. And then on the inside of the car, we're actually going to do the seams to make it all nice and strong. So that is the plan at the minute. See if you can see my my snap on welder.
Not snap on.
Not snap off. Stop, look at the messy garage. Killing me. That's what we need to do, we need to plug it in.
I've only done that because the wind's going that way and it'll blow all your gas away. can end up with messy welds.
You can blame the gas. Right. The plug fits in. Sounds like it's on.
Yeah.
Minimum.
Have you got the air connected?
No.
Oh. I really want to go. BAM! Got wire.
We have got wire. Oh, where's wire cutters? Because I've just done that. It's done. Done. Finished.
Might turn the wire speed up a bit, maybe. Right,
I don't think I gave it a chance then. This thing has gone so dark I can't actually see through it. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's loads better.
Yep.
Still very spitty.
I wonder if it's what's on it. Should we try and clean it up?
Yeah. Well, a whizzer over it. Of course not plugged in. I was going to say, what is plugged in? Charger. Probably drag it closer. Run out of electrical string.
Right, good. Yeah, will do. Right. Where's this going to go?
Everywhere.
The wire on your seat, then, do you?
It's a test as to whether we need to clean the other bits up as well.
I doubt that's well through grinder.
It's just paint.
Yeah.
Covered?
Yep. Sounds better. What's better?
Splat, splat, splat. I've got a hole.
And you got penetration. Getting hot. It's just balancing everything, because if you turn it, if you have the power too high, you'll blow holes. If you have the wire speed too high, there's just loads to clean up afterwards.
Yeah.
And the gas makes it, in theory, makes
From
it
where we started here.
Yeah.
To what we look like there.
definitely better. That's got good penetration as well.
Lick it. I've got any microphones on, we're alright. Stop and start. So I can find this bit. With all the comments about not wearing gloves. You covered?
Do you want gloves? I've got gloves.
Don't say that on camera. You covered?
Yeah.
Not even looking. I look good through here. It's not bad. You know what? It's like I've done that before.
Probably.
Well, yeah, just like 3 minutes worth of practice. Is it professional now? You covered?
Yep.
Well, we haven't ground this bit. Definitely hit the difference. I blew through a bit on the edge, but that is well stuck. Bet you can't pull that bit off.
It's going to be hot. Stick the gloves to it.
Yeah, it's good.
Better than Tiger's here.
Nice. Nice.
It's a good advert for Amazon, that, you know. That wasn't on camera. Good.
Right, nobody saw. Nobody saw them. You covered?
Yeah, but you can just see your arm. I don't know if that's... Can't see.
Improve it's me because you see my face. Go bed.
Go on.
It's battery.
Sounded good.
Let's see this thing on. Well, I've added some nice metal up there, but I've not touched the plate.
You know, this isn't probably the best thing to learn on, you know.
What? Another choice.
Left the pain behind, starting anew. The future's ours, just believe it's true. We are made to shine, to dream, to win.
Electrical glue.
Pretty much it.
Find our way. Together we'll rise, brighter every.
When you weld metal, just so you know, it's really, really hot. Just so you know.
In the mirror, who I've become.
That sounded good.
On the run, through highs and lows, we'll stand tall with every heartbeat.
Bit of progress on the old patch. Underneath the car. All bits of metal. A bit of rust.